The presenter points two pieces of cereal cardboard boxes. Corrugated cardboard. White Cephone screen protector packaging, 2 small wooden sticks, 3 buttons. Hay. 4 brushes, a pencil. A star-making hole puncher. Glue. A plate containing small amounts of yellow, green, brown, navy blue and white paint and scissors. She then takes 2 pieces of cereal cardboard and, using a pencil, she draws 2 circles of the same size. Using what's left of the cardboard, she cuts a star with a hole puncher. Using a brush, the presenter applies glue onto one of the 2 circles and then sticks them together. Using paint, she paints the circle in a navy blue color. She cuts a long stripe from the corrugated cardboard. She cut the stripe in half and paint the stripes with brown paint. Using the white cell phone screen packaging, she cuts 3 rectangles of different sizes. The largest rectangle is painted in green. And the middle one in navy blue. The presenter paints the star in yellow. She takes 1 strip of the painted brown cardboard, applies glue and sticks it diagonally in the upper left side of the circle. The second strip is placed in the upper right side of the circle. That makes the roof complete. The presenter takes a wooden stick, applies glue and sticks it vertically underneath the roof on the left-hand side. The second stick is also glued vertically onto the right-hand side. She takes the star, applies glue and places it on the top of the roof. She applies glue onto the green rectangle. Finally, she sticks the green rectangle on the left-hand side. She applies glue onto the blue rectangle. She sticks the blue rectangle vertically to the right of the green rectangle. She applies glue to the smallest white rectangle and sticks it diagonally between the green and blue rectangles. She turns the crib over and applies a small amount of glue in the upper side. She then folds the string into two and sticks it onto the crib. The buttons are covered with glue and one by one are placed above green, blue and white rectangles.